sa tiyan. Madali kang nabubusog. Saka healthy siya, guys. So guys, after ko uminom ng Fitgum Organic Barley within a few minutes, so kailangan kong lagyan ng aking tiyan. So gagawa ako ng cucumber salad. So guys, mix with corn tuna, my favorite. Ito yogurt. Tapos kakain tayo together with olive oil seaweed. So, let's prep, guys. Kasi nigay cucumber, zucchini. Kasi kakaiba siya, guys. Pero, I will peel kunti lang, guys. Hindi lahat. Kasi iba to na cucumber na bili ko, guys. So, hindi ko pinilahan. I will try kasi kakaiba yung balat. So, let's try. Gusto ko kasi ito, guys. Kasi maliit. Kung gusto man ganyan. So, gusto ko na ganito. Hindi masyadong maliit para mangunguya mo siya. You feel it. Ayan, guys. Yan ang gusto ko na size. Super sharp ito, guys. So careful. I like this breakfast, guys, kasi so healthy siya, guys. At mabubusog ka. So, lagyan natin na corn tuna. Hindi natin naubusin, guys. Hindi lang. May ulam ka na. So, you can use any preferred tuna. Tapos, masarap siya, guys, pag may yogurt. Ayan. Hindi ko rin naubusin. Kasi watery na ang ating cucumber. So, mix-mix lang, guys. Mix thoroughly. And then, lagyan natin ng lemon silo. Lagyan ng kunting asin, taste, at saka pepper, kunti lang. And guys, mix lang tayo, guys. I really love this breakfast. So healthy. Let's try. Pansin nyo, guys, panay akong gumagawa nito kasi ang sarap sa tiyan. Madali kang nabubusog. Saka healthy siya, guys. So, yum, yum, yum. So, let's try with the seaweeds, guys. Ito, favorite ko na brand. Okay. Kain tayo, guys. Thank you, Lord, for the food. So yummy. Kain tayo. Sarap, guys.